Hello, so today we're looking at geometric sequences again, so second part. Okay, let's scroll down and see what we're asked. We're asked, so given the values a and r below, write the first four terms of the geometric sequences. Okay. Let's pick a color. So our first sequence, so we're given our first term a, and we're given the multiplicative value. So first value is 2. Second term is 2 times a third. Third term is a third times the previous term. That's 2/9. Fourth term is a third times 2/9, so 2/27. Let's do one more, 2/81. Okay, not too bad. Second sequence. Again, our first term is 1. Second term, 1 times -1/2. Third term is negative 1/2 times negative 1/2, which is 1/4. Fourth term is a quarter times -1/2, or -1/8. Let's do one more. -1/8 times -1/2 is 1/16. Good. Third sequence. All right, first term is 4. Second term is 12. Third term is 12 times 3 is 36. Fourth term is 36 times 3. It's a big number. Let's have a look. 108. And that gives us our first four terms. Last sequence, our fourth one. First term is 1. Second term, -5. Third term, 25. Fourth term, -125. Can we do one more? Fifth term, 625. Great. All right, so just note I was using the recursive formula for each term in our geometric sequence, but there's also the general formula. So T sub n equals a times r raised to the power n minus 1. Either one is possible, but I was using the recursive formula. Okay, so that brings us to the end of our session. If you have any questions, send us a note at info@raisebymarks.com or give us a call day or evening. And we look forward to seeing you again. Thank you for watching. Have a good evening.